India is marking 173 years since the launch of its first passenger train, a journey that laid the foundation of one of the world's largest railway networks. On April 16, 1853, the first passenger train ran between Bombay, now Mumbai, and Thane. Operated by the Great Indian Peninsular Railway, the train had 14 coaches and carried around 400 passengers. Pulled by a steam locomotive named Falkland, the journey covered about 34 kilometers and was flagged off with a 21-gun salute, marking the beginning of rail transport in India. Following this milestone, the railway network expanded rapidly across the country. By 1880, India had nearly 9,000 miles of railway lines. Different gauges, including broad gauge and meter gauge introduced in 1871, helped extend connectivity to diverse regions. Railways also saw significant engineering breakthroughs. The Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, launched in 1881, showcased innovation in mountain transport. In 1895, India built its first indigenous steam locomotive at the Ajmer workshop, a key step towards domestic capability. Over time, Indian Railways transitioned from steam engines to diesel and electric locomotives. This shift improved speed, efficiency, and sustainability, while expanding connectivity across cities, towns, and rural areas. In the 21st century, the focus has shifted to modernization and technology adoption. More than 54,600 kilometers of tracks have been renewed, with over 80% of the network now supporting speeds of 110 km per hour or higher. New train services like Vande Bharat Express and Amrit Bharat Express are enhancing passenger experience, alongside digital platforms such as the Rail One app. Looking ahead, Indian Railways is entering a new phase of expansion. A record capital outlay of 2.78 lakh crore rupees has been allocated, with plans for high-speed rail corridors across key routes. From a 34-kilometer journey in 1853 to a vast national network today, Indian Railways continues to evolve, connecting people, powering logistics, and supporting economic growth across the country.